Welcome to MsLanEnglish. Speaking Test. Movers 9. Test 1.2. Now look at these pictures. They show a story. It's called A Windy Day. Now you tell this story.
Tom is sitting in a tree. He can't hold his comica because it's very windy. A girl is playing with her kite.
Now you tell this story.
The girl's kite is in the tree. She is crying. Tom's comic is on the ground.
Now you tell this story.
Tom is climbing down the tree. He is holding the kite. The woman is picking up Tom's comic.
Now you tell this story. Tom is giving the kite to the girl. The woman is giving Tom his comic. They are all happy.